Open the File menu and select the image you'll edit. Click the image. Hold down Shift and then drag the image to resize it. Be sure the image is selected so you can see the crop button on the right side panel. Drag the sides to your preferred size, then click Apply. Click File. Export. Export as. Change the file name. You may also change the save as type to JPEG or PNG. And then click Export. For resolution, choose your required preference and then click OK. There is your first cropped image. You can also use the Artboard. Click the Artboard tool on the left panel. Drag to resize the sides of the artboard. Click File. Export. Export as. Change the file name. Check the Use Artboard box. And then click Export. For resolution, choose your required preference and then click OK. Here's the result. Another way to crop an image is using the Shape tool. In this tutorial, I will use the Rectangle tool and Ellipse tool. Click the default fill and stroke. Select None for fill and your color of choice in stroke to see the image behind the shape. Select the thickness of your stroke line. Once set, you may drag your mouse to your image to crop it. And select all image and shape you made. Right-click mouse, and then click Make Clipping Mask. Let me also show you how to use the ellipse tool to crop an image into a circle shape. Click the ellipse tool on the left panel. Hold down Shift and drag your mouse. Click the selection tool to set the circle shape, click the middle or the circle stroke to drag it. Or you can go to Properties under Align to set the alignment. And select all image and shape you made. Right-click mouse, and then click Make Clipping Mask. Click File. Export. Export as. Change the file name. This is the result exported as JPEG. And this is the result exported as PNG. There you have it. I hope you learned something useful. You may comment down below if you have questions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be updated with my new videos.
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like